at least in Europe now, we have this support of the European Union in terms of the next generation funds, which are, in the case of Spain, they are very important because it means that we have different levels of intervention, both in single apartments, in buildings, multi-store buildings, and in neighbourhoods. The program has been divided between these three categories, and now we have a lot of movement around that. There's a lot of interest in getting access to these funds, and they are quite relevant. It's not easy to renovate a house and to fulfill all the requirements of the program, but still I am seeing a lot of positive reaction in favor of that. And on top of that, as we have an aging population and also we have a diminishing size of the families, there's a lot of projects of housing transformation in order to divide the housing and convert it into apartments, these kind of things, which with this kind of support, it can be accelerated. Therefore, I think that we need to use the opportunity of the climate change in order both to do an additional investment in energy efficiency, but on top of that, also in developing more housing units in order to increase the supply of housing units and try to more or less control the prices of housing, which are booming. It's because we share with the rest of Europe a crisis of prices. Our prices are going up very fast, especially in the main cities. There's still a movement of population from rural areas to big cities, and there's a dual behavior of prices in these less populated areas. The prices are decaying, and then investment is not interesting. But in the other end of the spectrum, we have a very high pressure of prices in the successful cities. Therefore, in these cities is where we need to invest more in affordable housing.